the youth and education as a way of building them up or initiating them into the economic space. Talk about the potential of the youth to take up the mantle into the next level.
That needs not to be talked about, Eric. How old is Zuckerberg? Okay? How old is Mark Zuckerberg? How old is Bezos? That potential is it. Today, look at the world. The world is locked down on COVID. How are people communicating? This innovation is coming from where? It's not coming from me. If I was able to bring this world, if I was able to do this innovation, if I was able to do Zoom, if I was able to do this communication, the technology of today, I would have done it 10, 15, 20 years ago. Therefore, we would have been where we are today 20 years ago because I would have had that capacity. But now, the expectation of youth is now. It is here. We do not expect anything from them. It is now. In Africa, look at M-Pesa. Who did it? Youth. Look at Jambo Pay. Youth. And these are instruments that are working for Kenya. But who is sitting on the top of the chain? Who doesn't even understand how it is used? He cannot even apply it. He has to get another youth or junior to come and interpret it to him and operate that same equipment. So when we say what is our expectation of youth, they're already there. We should not be expecting anything from them. The only expectation and issues we should be having is, why aren't you able to do this? If you have done this today, why aren't you able to do this? I sit back and let them implement, innovate and implement. But the issues that every day we're expecting youth, I have no expectation from them. I want them to be given their space and see what they can do.